Hello, it's Gem Games here, and today I'm going to show you how to get 17,000 plus AAA assets for free, and you have until the end of the year. So you might have noticed that the marketplace on the Epic Games launcher has gone, and we have this new fab here. If you go to there, you notice that you have to click from here, and it will open a internet browser. So you cannot just access it through here like the marketplace. I think later on they will update it to work through here. I'm not sure, but I hope. And here you have to log in, and after that you can see here, get all Quixel mega scans for free, and you will have a claim button here. You will have to click that and click learn more, and now go to the Quixel profile. Now you can see all these here. You can specify what kind of stuff you want, and yeah, you can basically download anything from here for free. For example, this. But I actually think that many people in YouTube have said that you have to just claim these, add to my library or stuff like that, to be able to access them later. But I'm pretty sure that you actually have to download the files. So yeah. So make sure that you download everything you want before the end of the year. There are super good assets like this, like AAA quality and stuff like that. But yeah, I actually think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. Yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one.